clean up here. Video, okay. This thing says a homemade taser. Works good. I wonder how powerful it is. Ah! It works really well, by the way. Welcome back. My name is Brandon Haneline, your Jeep informant. And yes, that was real, and I don't know why I did that. And don't ask me to do it again. I just know that this, I like pushing this button. Feels good. I don't know why it feels good. But 9-volt battery, micro switch out of a microwave, and a $3 transformer from eBay. So enough about this taser. More about this taser. So this taser here, this is the Tazer JL from Z Automotive. Now this is an aftermarket OBD plug-in that that overrides a lot of the factory features, like the tire size, and I think there's light show, and man, there's this on list and list of things that this does. I'll list that down in the description below. I'll leave their website down in the description below. But today we're just going to be doing an unboxing and just a quick installation to see what it takes to install this thing and what it's possibly capable of. So let's head out to the bench and open this thing. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, I think this thing's been out for several months, but I don't know how many people know about this product. I mean, it seems to be really cool. You can do lots of things with it. There's a couple videos out there with the light show, and you can change the speedo and the diff and stuff like that. Tons of different things. We'll go over that later on. Right now, let's see what we got here in the box. We got USB, mini USB plug-in. Oh, cool sticker. All right, and then some instructions on what to do and what not to do. All right, where's the goodies at? Nobody wants that thing. All right, here we go. All right, it's not child-proof, so... All right, there is going to be the security gateway module override or bypass. Security gateway bypass. What that is, oh, there's the product that actually plugs into the OBD port. That is the JL Tazer, and I just dropped it. Oh my gosh, it probably don't work now. So there's your little geez Louise, the USB plug-in for the updating, and I do think mine needs an update, but I'm going to see what it's going to do just straight out of the box. So lots of important information there. Alright, so that's what you do. You don't get this. There's the taser, the real taser. Ah! Keep that thing away from me. Nope, not doing it again, buddy. Sorry. Alright, so let's go ahead and take it out to the Jeep. First off, we need to find the OBD2 plug-in. And look right above there, and you're going to see the security gateway module with 2 connectors there. So we're going to have to disconnect those 2 connectors. And if you just lightly press the little tab there and give it a little tug, it will come right out. And let's do the same with the other one. Alright, so now we're going to take those 2 connectors and we're going to plug it into the security gateway bypass module. Okay, so this is going to pretend that it's the security gateway module. Alright, let's try to program this thing. So it says here that you need to put the instrument cluster in the audio settings and press the left arrow on the steering wheel, also with the cancel button to enter the settings menu. So let's give that a shot. Alright, the instrument clusters are already in audio, so we're going to push the left button and hit the cancel, and it's not working. Alright, it's not working, so let me, Alright, so if all else fails, read the instructions. You got to have the JL Tazer thing plugged into the OBD port to marry the vehicle, and that's the first thing you have to do. You have to marry it. So what this does is actually record the original vehicle settings, so in case you want to put it back to stock, you can just easily put it back to stock. All right, now we're going to scroll through the instrument cluster with the up and down arrows to get to the audio section. You got to be there first. All right, so there we are right there in the audio section. Going to hit the left arrow and the cancel button, and boom, there's the light show. All right, so we're in. So we're in the settings of the JL Tazer now. So I'm still holding the left arrow down and clicking the cancel to toggle through. And as you can see there's clear check engine lights and marry ? So let's find out how to marry this thing, because that's the only 3 things you can do right now. So let me grab the instructions. Okay, as you can see right here, the on off button on the cruise is going to be what we use to select each item that we want to go into. And you have to do all this with the key on but the engine not running. Alright, so marry. Alright, so we're going to hold the left arrow. You still have to hold that left arrow down and hit the center button, okay. And, updating 10, 9, 8. So it is actually marrying. I thought it said updating. Oh, it does. Okay, marrying 4, 3, fail 1. Ugh. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, I pressed the cruise button again, the on off button, and let's see what happens. Alright, here we go. So another countdown, and we'll cross our fingers and hope it successfully gets married today. Married. Alright, cool. Now let's see what kind of options we have after this. Alright, just real quick, we got light show next. Clear check engine lights. That's where married was, but now it's unmarried. Performance, yeah. Now we got TPMS, radio, lighting, other, and then there's the software level, and then full reboot, so that must be the end. Alright. Alright, let's go into performance and see what we can do there. Alright, we got tire size. So this is where we can change our tire size up or down. Next is going to be gear ratio. That's where we're going to go up or down. So I wonder how high we can get the gear ratio. There's 3.6. Alright, I want to skip ahead and see how far we can get this. Alright, there's 3.8, 4, 5, 6. Holy mackerel, 7. Guys, this is this is nuts. I'm at an 8.0 gear ratio. Listen, I'm done. I'm done after this. I'm tired of clicking the button. I've been clicking this button like 5 minutes. Let's switch to the next one. 4 low. That's where you change it. You can go up and down, change it to whatever you want to, it seems like. So TPMS, what can we change here? Actually, it looks like you can change it to where it doesn't even have tire pressure monitoring, okay? Or if you do have the tire pressure monitoring, then you can, let's see here. I think you can you can raise or lower the tire pressure. I was reading that earlier. You can raise and lower the tire pressure for the front and the rear separately. So that's pretty cool. All right, radio. What do we have here? Radio. Camera enable. Okay, so you can turn the backup camera off, it looks like, or you can add a cargo cam. Check that out. That's pretty cool. I think you got to have a separate wiring for that, though, when you buy through Z Automotive. You can add a DVD player. Turn off the TravelLink notifications if you don't have Sirius. Lighting. What is this? Lighting. Okay, daytime running lamps. If you add that. Alright, daytime running lamp stuff. Oh, fog lights. So if you added fog lights, you can do that. Oh, check this out. Center high mount stoplight LED. So you can add that to it if you've updated. LED tail lights. Check that out. You can add LED tail lights. That's cool. Trailer tow. Now this is the trailer tow group, to where if you were to add it, you can just come in here and turn it on instead of going to the dealer. All this is stuff, instead of going to the dealer, you're actually doing it here. Auxiliary buttons, the 4 auxiliary buttons that everybody's going crazy about. Blind spot detection. I guess you can add that. Wow, I didn't realize you could add blind spot detection. And this is the software level of the Tazer itself. Now, I've been told by the owner of Z Automotive that there's an update 11.1 that gets you navigation, overrides, and the splash screen changing. You can change that from Rubicon to Sport to Sahara. But make sure you go see them in the description down below. I'll put their website down there. I'll put their Facebook down there. All that stuff. Make sure you go see them. I've got a coupon code that if you want to use to get, if you want to buy it, you can get a discount from Z Automotive. So thank you so much, Z Automotive, for letting me try this out. And thank you to all my patrons out there. And make sure you check them out at zautomotive.com. And we'll be seeing you next time. Take care. Have a good day, guys.